Okay, I'm here with Sarah. We're walking in Riverwood Conservancy, and this one is very stiff, so we're actually walking up. And so here behind me is Sarah. She's full of energy, like daddy. Behind me is my beautiful daughter Sarah. We are at Riverwood Conservancy, enjoying the beautiful nature in the heart of the city of Mississauga. It's a beautiful day today. It's like the temperature is like just awesome, right? And I just love it. Okay. So cheers everybody, cheers. Always love one another. Life is beautiful and God is always good. God is always good. Cheers.